Hello and welcome to our tour of Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas cabin number 9215. This is a Central Park View interior, category 2S. We'll start at the entrance here. You got your usual safety information on the back of the door, your do not disturb magnets for the outside, key slot to turn on the lights. They have a permanent key in there so we can just come and go as we please without using our own. There's a full-length mirror, and just in here is the bathroom. Got the shower with the curved glass shower door, the toilet, sink area with several shelves, and small sink, a little bit of counter space, and some storage underneath. Next to that, we have a closet, several shelves, some hanging room. Got a suitcase in there right now. Your itty bitty little safe that is currently locked. I'll have to figure that one out so we can use our safe. And then a couple drawers below. Nightstand over here, a little bit of storage, the telephone, no power options, reading light, and the double bed. Does not look like you have the option, well, you might have the option of two twins, but they'll be very close to each other. Another reading light. This side has one power outlet and a light switch. Another small end table, a little bit of storage, and a second closet. This one being mostly hanging. You got some hangers up there. Another small hanging bar down below. Next to that, we have a couch for lounging. And then over here is our neighborhood view. So we got a view out onto Central Park with all the trees and everybody walking by. So keep your curtains closed unless you want people to see what you're doing in your cabin. On the other side, up opposite the couch, we got some more storage here. Little drawers. There's our breakfast menu if you want to have breakfast delivered. Your hair dryer, some extra facial tissues, and then down here is your cooler. Small cooler. And a little desk area with some power options. We have 2 USBs, 3 US, 1 European, and then the light switch for the vanity mirror. Also on this side we have the TV with all the entertainment options and such, and a small slot down below for small paper items to be placed, lost. And that concludes our tour of this Central Park View interior, cabin number 9215 aboard Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check out these other videos. Until then, we'll see you on the next adventure.